Jurors celebrated the renovation of Casa Oliva for preserving an essential piece of the neighborhood's past. Typically, structures like this would have been easier just to demolish. Instead, the project breathes fresh air into the now apartment building. Constructed in 1895 as a cigar factory and located in the Ybor City National Historic Landmark District, the Oliva Cigar Factory was in disrepair. Windows were boarded, asbestos needed to be removed, and accessibility was a primary upgrade. The design also overcomes foundation and structural framing challenges to rehabilitate the entire building. With exceptional consideration given to site integration and scale, the program completely transforms the interior and exterior to create 38 charming loft-style apartments.